What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And the Oneplus Pad is finally getting official as its pricing and also the launch date has been finally leaked. Earlier it was being told that the Oneplus Pad will be launching in late April, but now the tablet will be launching on 28 April and it will be available in the market itself. Now the overall event happened in the alongside with the OnePlus 11 event, and it was the Cloud 11, which we have also got to know that some of the key features for the OnePlus Pad, which has been 144 Hz of LCD display with up to 12 gigs of RAM, and also it's a 5G enabled tablet, so you can share data sharing with the 5G. And the tablet will be also be coming with the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 processor. Now it's a good thing to have in a tablet. Overall it will be running on Oxygen OS 13.1, but overall the tablet, it was a bit skeptical as the tablet has a different camera module design at the back, but it's indeed a metal designing, and it will be having a 13 megapixel of a primary camera which can indeed shoot video at 4K at 30 fps. The front camera is going to be of 8 megapixel, which can also shoot videos at up to maximum of 1080p at 30 fps. But one thing to note is that about its pricing. The price of the OnePlus Pad is expected to be launching around to be at
38,999, which was not at all expected, as we earlier speculations were claiming that the price of the OnePlus Pad is going to be at around 25,000 rupees, but that's not the case and it still might be a decent pick overall.
But the battery capacity is also not going to be a thing to consider and thing to worry about, as the battery we will be getting in the OnePlus Pad is going to be of almost 10,000 mAh battery with a charger included in the box with a 67 watt of fast charging support. Now what do you think about the OnePlus Pad? Are you planning to buy the new tablet under 25,000 rupees? Then this could be one of the game-changing tablet in the industry. Now let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you like this video, do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.